Hi all, this is Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to look at both the euro versus the US dollar and also the Euro Stocks 50 future. That's the equity index, the pan-European equity index benchmark future. So first of all here, the euro versus the US dollar, still vulnerable in here. You can see the sell-off, this big sell-off that we saw after the Brexit vote, the UK vote to leave the EU, plunging us down through supports at 111.28, 110.96, 110.55 down to 109.10, and that set up a far more bearish theme, a more significant top instruction, a more negative bias for lower targets below 109.10 towards 108.23, 107.77, 107.08, potentially into July. Despite this bounce over the market rolling back down lower from ahead of 112 in here, and we see negative pressures from a sell-off we also saw on Friday after the US employment report, aiming us lower for 109.10 and below going into this week and through July. For the pan-European equity index in here, we're going to look at the Euro stocks now. The market did have a rebound on Friday after the data we had from the US, so slightly positive data from the US, but this big bear gap that we saw, big bear gap after the UK Brexit vote, plunging the market down lower. This is the Euro Stocks 50 future down through 27.64, 27.22. This sets up a more bearish theme. So this is the pan-European equity index future, a more bearish theme for European equity indices, aiming for lower for 26.45, 25.97, and potentially to new lows for the year, we feel, despite the rebound we saw on on Friday. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading